Tomatoes are a powerhouse of essential nutrients. They are rich in vitamins C and K, potassium, and folate. Additionally, tomatoes are an excellent source of antioxidants, including lycopene, which is linked to numerous health benefits. Consuming tomatoes can significantly boost your health. The antioxidants in tomatoes help reduce the risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease and cancer. Lycopene, in particular, is known for its ability to lower cholesterol levels and improve heart health. Furthermore, tomatoes support a healthy immune system. Tomatoes are not just beneficial for internal health, they also enhance skin and hair. A high vitamin C content promotes collagen production, leading to firmer skin. Additionally, the antioxidants help protect against sun damage. For hair, tomatoes can add shine and strength. Tomatoes are low in calories and high in water content, making them an ideal food for weight management. They provide a feeling of fullness, reducing overall calorie intake. Their fiber content also aids digestion and promotes a healthy metabolism. Incorporating tomatoes into your diet is easy and versatile. Enjoy them fresh in salads, blended into smoothies, or cooked in sauces and soups. Roasting tomatoes enhances their flavor, making them a delicious addition to any meal. Tomatoes are a versatile and nutritious addition to any diet. Their numerous health benefits, including improved heart health and skin vitality, make them a valuable component of a healthy lifestyle.